Hi guys, so today I'm gonna go through how we are using BITFLEX. So when you're using the link in the description down below my video, you will be able to get here, and at this time you will also be able to get yourself your own Apple Watch Series 8 if you're using the link in the description down below my video. For you to be able to get this one, you have until 4th of August 2023 for you to be able to receive this Apple Watch. But for us to trade on BITFLEX, I will just show you step by step exactly how we're doing it. So the first thing that you need to do is come in here on the front page and create your account. This takes you around 20 seconds to do, and use the code that I was also talking about. Then you just confirm here that you are over 18 years old. Click the next one and you have created one account. When you come in here, you can also see the current campaigns that they do have. So remember, you need to deposit at least $100 for you to be able to get this Apple Watch Series 8, but you are also anticipating in other different giveaways during the month. When you're using the link in the description down below my video, you will obviously always get reminded of what type of giveaways we will have, and you don't need a KYC for BITFLEX, and this is amazing. A lot of people are looking for that one, and this is what BITFLEX is also giving us. So this is how it looks when you are on the front page. When you scroll down, you can also download the BITFLEX app, which I do recommend, because if you are going outside, you don't have your computer with you, then obviously the BITFLEX app will be perfect for you to have, because then you can trade wherever you are in the world or whatever you are doing. But for you to transfer money, you need to go to assets, and then we go to deposit. When you're going to transfer your money, you are either choosing USDT, or you go in here and you can see that they have some different currencies that you can transfer. You are choosing what network, whether that is ERC20 or TRC20. You will have the wallet address right here, and you are copying this one, and from wherever you're gonna send the money from, this is the address that you're gonna use. So for you to be able to use this leverage trading platform and whatever currency that you've had and you want to convert it to USDT, what you need to do is that you go up to trade, you click on convert, and in here you obviously choose whatever currency that you had, and you just choose the amount that you want to convert, and you have zero fees with this. So when you have deposited your money, what you're gonna do is that you go up here to derivatives, click on it, and this is how it looks when we are on the front page. Okay, so now we are in the front page, and for you to be able to get the money in here, what you can do is that you go to transfer, and if you don't see any money here, it's because they are on your spot account. So what you do is that you just transfer your money from your spot account to the derivatives account and USDT for you to be able to trade with leverage with these money, and then you just confirm for you to get there. So when you are looking at the front page, you obviously have a trading view chart right here. You can see at the top that you can choose whatever currency that you want to trade, but I usually go for BTC, so this is the one that we're gonna have on the charts. You also have order blocks, you have recent trades, last price trades here. So this is a lot of information. If you only want to see the charts, what you do is just clicking on here, and the only thing that you will have is the chart of. Let us just go through what you see on the chart. So on the top, you can see BTC USDT, but you can obviously choose whatever currency that you want to trade. But let's go for BTC because that is the one that I usually trade. On the top here, you can have the price where we at this time. You have the funding rate, you have the countdown, you have the volume. On the right corner here, you can also see the order book, recent trades for both long and shorts. When we are placing a order, you are using it to the right corner here. You have a limit order, you have a market order, and conditional order. You have the leverage trading right here, which one you want to choose. You have 2x up till 100x. And of course, I would never recommend 100x if you're not a very, very experienced trader yourself, but a lot of us are going for the 10x. When you are looking at the bottom here, you have your positions, you have your active orders, you have conditional orders, filled, and order history. And on the right, you can see the amount of money that you have, and you can see it right now on USDT. So when you are placing your trade, you obviously want to choose if you're going to go for a long or a short. And right here, you obviously choose the limit order, market, or conditional. When you're placing a limit order, you need to have the price that you expect the market to either pull back down to or pull back up to. So if you're placing a buy limit order, you obviously want to do that at the low. So what's happening with a limit order is that if you expect the market to drop down to 29,803, you are writing it right here. And when the market breaks below this level and you see the market then crosses above it once again, this is when the market will activate your long position. If you want to have a sell limit order, you obviously want to have it at the top. So when the market is breaking above the level and crosses down, this is when the market will activate your sell limit order. Market execution is when you are entering the trade right away from where the price is right now. A conditional order, also a stop order, is if you expect the market to break above this high and the market does that, that's when the market will activate your order. If you expect the market to drop and the market breaks it, then that will also activate your order. Okay, so let us now take a market execution. We're going to open a long position right here. So we obviously need to choose what leverage we want to have. So you can see that we have from 2x up to 100. I would never recommend 100 if you are not a super experienced trader and you know what you are doing. But let's say that we are going for a 5x. So let's say that I want to take 100 USD to trade. So I'm taking 100 from my original account. And don't forget that you can also choose if you want to see in BTC or USDT, but I usually go for USDT. So when we are opening a long position right here, you can see that I have taken $100 from my original account, but the order value will be 481 because I am taking a 5x leverage. You can see that this is 0.016 BTC. So this is basically how we are calculating our trades from the place order section. And down here you can also see the liquidation price. So let us just go in for a long position right here, and we can see if we are scrolling down that the market just activated and we are right now in a trade. So if you don't have a stop loss, this is when the market will take you out if the market is going against you and will take you out of the liquidation price. Now when you are looking down here, you obviously want to choose your stop loss and take profit. So when you're taking your take profit, you obviously want to have a price where you expect the market to come to. So let's say that I expect the market to come to 35,799. That means that is 93.274 USDT. And you can also see that is 19.45%. So let's say that I expect the market to drop down to 27,655. You will see that you will risk $37 with your stop loss, and that is a 7.73%. Now obviously you have to choose yourself where you will have your stop loss or where you will have your take profit. So you just confirm and you'll see down here now you have your take profit and you also have your stop loss, and you're waiting from now on to see if whether the stop loss or the take profit will get hit. What you also can see right here is that right now I'm a little bit in profit from the trade that I did take, and if you don't have a stop loss, you will see the liquidation price here. So if the market drops down to 24,082 and I don't have a stop loss, the market will take you out from the position automatically. So let's say that you don't want to be inside of this trade anymore, as I don't want to be in here because now obviously I'm just taking this trade to show you guys. So I can just confirm to close the whole position, or if I choose to decide that I want to close 50% of the position, I just confirm that and that will happen right away. So let me just take away this one. I will confirm and automatically you will see the trade not being here anymore. So this is how we are using BITFLEX. It's a very simple platform for us to be able to use. And don't forget that you have the link in the description down below my video. You also have it pinned in the corner for you to be able to sign up through the link that I have. This is of course also how you are supporting my channel. Remember that until the 4th of August, you can now have a chance to win a Apple Watch Series 8. If you're using the link that I have, you're depositing 100 to trade, and that's it. So thank you so much, everyone. Hope you did enjoy this one, and we see each other on the live streams or in the next video update.